everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do NDA Geography PYQ, and that is the part 2 of the PYQ. Part 1 we have already done. So now let's see our question. So the first question we are having is, which one of the following union territories of India is the smallest in terms of geographical area? So basically ये पूछ रहे हैं कि ऑप्शन में से ऐसा कौन सा यूनियन टेरिटरी है जो कि छोटा है इन टर्म्स ऑफ एरिया वाइज, कौन सा यूटीज छोटा है. सो द ऑप्शन वी आर हैविंग इज फर्स्ट ऑप्शन दमन एंड दीव, सेकेंड ऑप्शन चंडीगढ़, थर्ड ऑप्शन दादर नगर एंड हवेली, एंड फोर्थ ऑप्शन इज लक्षद्वीप. सो नाउ द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी लक्षद्वीप. सो लक्षद्वीप ऐसा यूनियन टेरिटरी है जो सबसे छोटा है इन टर्म्स ऑफ ज्योग्राफिकल एरिया. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. So the next question we are having is, stalactite, stalagmite and pillars are the depositional landforms of. So these are basically stalactite. The spelling is wrong. It will be STALSCITITE, and stalagmite and pillars are the depositional landform. Means these are a kind of landforms which is formed by the depositional feature of the option is running water, wind, glacier or underground water. So the answer will be underground water. So because of the depositional feature of underground water, these type of landforms are formed. So इस मतलब कि स्टेलेक्टाइट, स्टेलेग्माइट एंड पिलर्स जो डिपोजिशनल लैंड फॉर्म्स है वो अंडरग्राउंड वाटर के कारण फॉर्म होते हैं. वी ऑल नो दैट लैंड फॉर्म्स आर फॉर्म ड्यू टू द इरोशनल एंड डिपोजिशनल फीचर्स. सो अंडरग्राउंड के डिपोजिशनल फीचर्स के कारण ये तीनों लैंड फॉर्म्स फॉर्म होते हैं. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The next question is, a deep valley categorized by steep like slope is known as. So basically in the question they are asking about a deep valley which is have a categorization steep like slope. मतलब जिसके पास steep like slope है वो कौन सी वैली है? तो we have option U shaped valley, blind valley, George, or the option 4 is canyon. So the correct answer will be canyon. So canyon is the deep valley, that is the deep valley which have a categorization of steep like slopes. Now let's move on to the next question. The next question we are having is, normal lapse rate of temperature of earth atmosphere drops to 0 degree Celsius. So they are asking कि जो नॉर्मल लैप्स रेट है टेम्परेचर अर्थ एटमोसफेयर का टेम्परेचर का जो नॉर्मल लैप्स रेट है वो 0 डिग्री कहाँ पे होता है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज लैप्स रेट. तो बेसिकली lapse rate is the rate at which temperature of the earth atmosphere changes with altitude. We all know that earth atmosphere temperature get changed when our altitude increases, temperature of the earth atmosphere changes. So the lapse rate is basically the rate जिस rate पे वो temperature change होता है, that is called the lapse rate. And in question it is asking कि वो lapse rate जहाँ वो मतलब कि which part of the earth atmosphere where the temperature like lapse rate of temperature will be 0 degree Celsius. So first option is upper part of ionosphere, upper boundary of tropopause, lower part of mesosphere, upper boundary of stratopause. So the correct answer will be upper part of tropopause where the lapse rate will be drops to 0 degree Celsius. Now the next question we are having is, the Munda language group belongs to which family? Option we have Austric, Dravidian, Sino-Tibetan, Indo-European. So the correct answer will be Austric. So the Munda language belong to the Austric family. Now let's move on to the next question. So the next question we are having is, which of the following is a major plate? We all know that we have a two type of plate. First one is major plate and the second one is minor plate, and we have 7 major plate. So basically from that we have to identify which one is a major plate. So first option we have Pacific, Cocos, and the next option we are having Arabian plate and Philippine plates. So the correct answer will be Pacific plate. Pacific plate is basically the major plate, otherwise all other plates given here is minor plate. Now Next question we are having is lithosphere consists of. So basically we all know that the crust which is come under the lithosphere only, like the land part is under the lithosphere, like we have lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere. So lithosphere consists of the land part, so we have to basically tell which part is the lithosphere: upper and lower mantle, crust and core, crust and uppermost solid mantle, mantle and core. So the correct answer will be crust and uppermost solid mantle. Lithosphere consists of, लिथोस्फेयर जो कंसिस्ट करता है दैट इज द क्रस्ट एंड अपर मोस्ट सॉलिड मेंटल को लिथोस्फेयर कंसिस्ट करता है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वी हैव इज campos, llanos and tropical savanna grasslands are generally found in. So these three are the name of a grassland. and ये हमें बताना है कि ये grassland generally किस country में found मिलते हैं हमें. तो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन we are having ऑस्ट्रेलिया, सेंट्रल अफ्रीका, साउथ अमेरिका और ईस्ट एशिया. सो इट इज़ बेसिकली फाउंड इन साउथ अमेरिका. सो ये जो तीन तरह के हमें ग्रासलैंड देखने को मिलते हैं ये बेसिकली साउथ अमेरिका में मिलते हैं. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The next question we are having is which river was earlier known as Bistasta river. So कौन से रिवर को पहले हम बिस्तास्ता रिवर के नाम से जानते हैं? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन तीस्ता, झेलम, तुंगभद्रा, भारतपुजा. सो द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी झेलम. सो झेलम river was earlier known as Bistasta river. Now let's move on to the next question. The next question is this is a local drive-in, this is a local warm and drive-in, and we have to tell in which region it is found. So here I have forgotten to write the option, मैं option लिखना भूल गई हूँ. So I will directly tell you the answer and the correct answer will be the Mesopotamia. So Mesopotamia is the region जहाँ पे ये local summer warm and drive-in देखने को, मतलब कि इस रीजन में ये ब्लो होती है. So this was for today. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन थैंक यू. जय हिंद.